So children, you are finding the area of the plane of some plane figure. In that, you have already learned about finding out the area of rectangle and square. You have known about other two quadrilateral as parallelogram and rhombus. Then you have learned about the to find out the area of a triangle using three different formula. Now in this video you will cover the area of a circle. Circular object. How to find out the area, and this is a circular object. And now how to find out the area, that means the space occupied inside that, the inside this one, the space. And then you will learn about the various aspects of circle. For a circle, you know the common thing. If it is a circle, say it's a circle, then this is center, and then through the center on the circle, this is on the circle, this is circumference. This is circumference of the perimeter of a circle. So if on the circle there are 2 points A and B, and then you are drawing any line segment through the center to any 2 points, that will be called as diameter. So this is diameter, and this OA and OB will be the radius. You know that. So diameter is equal to radius into 2, whereas radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So let us go and learn the formula for a circle. If the diameter is d and the radius is r, and the area will be abbreviated as A, and circumference or the perimeter as C. We say for the circumference perimeter, it is perimeter of a circle, we say it as circumference. So circumference as the C, then the formula will be d will be 2r. Diameter is equal to twice into radius. Subsequently, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Now circumference formula is 2 pi r. Pi, there is a number. That's a number. It is a ratio between the circumference and the diameter. So that 2 pi r is the radius, or dr, diameter into pi, d pi, because 2r is equal to radius. Got it? Now r can be subsequently circumference divided by 2 pi, and d can be circumference divided by pi. That you understood. These are the formula. Then area of a circle will be said as pi r square. So circumference of a circle is said as 2 pi r, and area of a circle will be said as pi r square. So r can be, to find out the r, area divided by root over of area divided by pi. And then area of a semicircle will be what? Half part of the circle will be what? Half arc of the circle. That will become half pi r square. Half into pi r square. Now to find out the area of a ring. Ring is, there will be 2 circles. One circle inner and another circle outer. So what will be the area of the ring? Ring means this part only. It will be pi r square. That be from this 2 here, the larger circle will be a radius, and smaller circle, this will be the radius. So ring will be pi r square minus pi small r square, which is equal to pi r square minus r square, which can be said as pi into r plus capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. These are the formula. Now we will be solving some of the sums from your exercise. I have taken question number 3. I have taken straight because 1 and 2 are very simple. So remember 2 things, that is how to find out the circumference of the perimeter of a circle, that is 2 pi r, and the area of a circle is pi r square. Semicircle will be half pi r square, and ring will be pi capital R square minus small r square. This is the formula. Now question number 3 I have taken directly. Question number 3 said to you, find the diameter of a circle and its circumference if the area is given to you. So pi r square is given to you, area is given to you. I have taken question number 2. Find the diameter and the circumference when the area is given to you. So you need to find out d and you need to find out c also. So find out d, how you do? C, you can very well, pi r square is equal to this, isn't it? Pi r square, because the area formula is this pi r square and area already given to you. So pi value always will be 22/7. Understood? See, pi is a constant, having a constant value, that is 22/7. That is the concept. 3.14, you can say it as decimal. So here it is 22 by 7. R square is equal to this. R square is equal to this. 7 will be multiplied, cross multiplication, and 22 will come down. Now R square, see, if you remove the point, then it will be denominator will be multiplied with 100. So 39424 into 7 divided by 100. 22 can cancel and it will become 1792. 1792 into 7 by 100. 1792 into 7, if you multiply 12544, it will become, and that is, 12544. If you find out the root over value, you will find 122, 112 into 112 and 10 into 10. So 112 by 10 will be R value. So R square is equal to this. R value will be, if you find out the root over value, you will find 112 by 10, that is 11.2. So here radius is 11.2 centimeter. Definitely diameter will be 2 into radius. So diameter will be 2 into radius, 11.2, that is 22.4 centimeter will be the diameter. Now you got the radius. You need to find out what? You need to find out the circumference. What is the formula? 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 11.2. If you simplify this, 7 can cancel, 1.6 it will become, 7 point cancel, 11.2 it will become 1.6. 2 into 22 into 1.6, if you multiply, you find 70.4 centimeter. So here circumference is 74 centimeter and diameter is 22.4 centimeter. Hope you understood. Little calculation is involved. You need to know how to find out the square root value. That you should know. Now I have taken question number 4. Here we said, a bicycle wheel is 1 meter 26 centimeter in diameter. Diameter of the, assume this is a bicycle wheel. This is a bicycle wheel, and then it has got the diameter, means through the center the line drawn is 1 meter 26 centimeter. Okay, calculate. I have taken the second one, the number of revolution of the wheel need to cover in 1.98 kilometer. See, if this wheel rolls one turn from this point, any point you take, this point, if it rolls completely one turn, one revolution, if it gives, what will be the distance cover? Distance cover will be its perimeter, that is circumference. So one revolution will be its perimeter. That is what you have to do. How many? First you have to see what is its perimeter. Then you have to find out the circumference first. Then the circumference is, if you find out, then how much the distance cover. That from that distance you have to divide. You have to divide that distance by the one revolution, that is circumference. That is what I have done. Diameter of the wheel is this. So radius will be 126 centimeter by 2, because 1 meter 26 centimeter is 126 centimeter. So divided by 2, that is 63 centimeter. That is radius of the wheel. So circumference, because one revolution is its circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 63, which will become 2 into 22 into 9 centimeter, because 7 9s are 63. So 396 centimeter. 396 centimeter the wheel covers in one revolution. Now the revolution, this one, that means 3.96 meter it can cover. So to cover this much distance, this much kilometer, 1.98 kilometer is equal to, here it is meter, we have to convert this one into 1000, that will be 1980 meter. 1.98 kilometer means 1980 meter. So to cover this much distance, one revolution covers this much meter. So to cover this much distance, how many revolution is this divided by this? So it will take the revolution 1980 divided by 3.96. If you do it, if you remove the bracket, numerator will multiply with 100. So 1980 into 100 by 396. If you solve it, you will find 500. This will be cancelling and it will become 5. And 5 into 100 is 500. So 500 revolution the cycle wheel has to take to cover the distance of 1.98 kilometer. I hope you have got it. You have found out the perimeter and then the kilometer what he has to cover, that divided by the perimeter you have done. That's all. Now I have taken question number 7. The question is a little tricky, but no problem. You can very well solve it. A wire was there of circular shape. whose area is a wire was made into circle whose area was 5544 centimeter square. It was the area of the circle is this, that means pi r square is equal to this. From there you need to find out the r value. Why? Because radius you have to find out, because you need to find out the circumference, total length of the wire you need to find out. So total length of the wire will be its perimeter only. So from there you find out r, then 2 pi r formula you implement, then you will find out the total length of the wire, and that will be the perimeter of the square. From there you can find out the side, and from there you can find out the area also. So 2 pi r square is equal to this. So r square 22 by 7, r square is equal to this. R square is equal to 5544 into 7 by 22. Then r square become what? If you cancel it, you will find 252. 252 into 7 r square. So r square is equal to, if you split 252, you will find 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. That much you will find. Into 7 is already there. So r will become root over of this. Root over of this means into it, 1 will come out 2, 3 and 7. 2 into 3 into 7 centimeter will be r, which is equal to 42 centimeter. R is 42 centimeter. Could you understand? Radius you found 42 centimeter of that circular shape wire. Could you understand? The length of the wire will be 2 pi r, its perimeter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 42, 42 you got it now. 7, 6 are 42. So 2 into 22 into 6 will be the perimeter, that is 264 centimeter will be the length of the wire now. Now that length of the wire has made into a square. So it will become a square perimeter is what? 4 into side. So 4 into side will become this. So therefore 4 into side is equal to 264. Length of the side will be of one side will be 264 divided by 4, which is 66 centimeter. You got one answer. You got one side of a square. Now area of the square will be side into side, 66 into 66 centimeter square, which will become 4356 centimeter square. Things are little calculative but not difficult once you practice.